What's up, YouTube? I'm Jamie, and this is the studio. We have all the studio instructors right here in this video. We are here to invite you to our January challenge. We did one last year. It was amazing. You guys rocked it, and we are super excited to bring another challenge to you in 2023. This challenge is called Just Press Play because we know that pressing play is the hardest part of changing your habits, increasing your health, and improving your life. All you have to do is press that play button and let us do the rest, and we are going to bring you a challenge that's unique this year, probably than any other fitness challenge you've ever done. We have 9 workout videos, each a different fitness format that's gonna hit something different, not only on the outside, but more importantly, on the inside. We're gonna have a workout for you that's gonna make you feel sexy and confident. We're gonna have a workout for you that's gonna make you feel like a total and complete badass, because you are. We're gonna have a celebratory workout. We have a dance party workout. We even have a yoga workout that's going to make you drip sweat. At the studio, we offer all of those formats along with bar, weightlifting, HIIT classes. We have so many things that you can find on the studio online, and we're gonna give you a little tiny taste of each of them. So the first workout that you are going to get on this challenge is gonna be released on January 2nd. It is going to be an ignition workout that's going to help you get a jump start, a full hour workout, live class action. You're gonna see all the girls here at the studio and myself and Jamie teaching, and you are gonna feel inspired and motivated and ready to take on 2023, starting with this challenge. So this is how this challenge is gonna work. You're going to get 3 brand new videos every week for 3 weeks. A release on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Every single one of those videos is gonna be a different format that's going to increase your health and, more importantly, increase your happiness. And we have each of the girls that you see behind me teaching one of those classes. This is one of the most amazing teams I have ever had the pleasure to work with. Each one of them has something different and special to offer, and I am so excited for you to get to experience that. We are super pumped for you to see everything that the studio online has to offer that you don't normally see on this YouTube channel. I hope that you commit to your health and your happiness these next 3 weeks, these next 9 classes. All you have to do is just press play.